Welcome to Megger's technical support videos. Today we will learn about advanced RAM feature. The software is currently being shown in simulation mode. On the home screen, click Select New Test icon and then select Advanced RAM Test icon to navigate to the Advanced Ramping screen. Based on the element under test, you can choose particular type of ramping. For instance, you can choose stair ramp option to perform a 51 element pickup test. You can choose pulse ramp option to perform 50 element pickup test. For applications like rate of change of frequency, you can choose smooth ramp option. To configure multiple ramps in the same test, you can click this icon and choose the number of ramps needed for your test. The options available to change for each ramp screen will be same as shown here. Let's learn how to configure the stair ramp option. By default, stair ramp option is selected. Click Show Pre-fault Conditions to navigate to the pre-fault condition setup screen. Enter the pre-ramp time in this field as desired for your test. Enter the pre-fault values as desired for your test. Enable the channels that you need included in the test. You can ramp multiple attributes such as amplitude, phase angle, and frequency for current and voltage at the same time as desired by your test. Click Show Ramp Start icon to navigate to the Start Values setup screen. Enter the start values for the ramp test as desired. Click Show Ramp Increment icon to navigate to the increment setup screen. Enter desired increment values for the test based on how fine or coarse you want the values to be ramped. Enter the dwell time as desired by your test. Click Show Ramp End icon to navigate to the end values setup screen. Enter the end values for the ramp test as desired. This icon will allow you to show all the ramps in the report. Binary Input Settings icon will allow you to configure a particular binary input for this test. Once the test module is configured, press the play button to run the test. Once the test is started, the pre-fault values will be injected for the amount of time entered for pre-fault time field, after which it switches to the start value and starts ramping at the rate of the set increment. Once the relay picks up, the test stops and provides you the end ramp value, which is nothing but the actual pickup value when the element picked up. Click on Add to Report button to add this result to the report. All the steps needed to configure stair ramp option are same as that needed to configure the smooth ramp and pulse ramp options. Additionally, pulse time field appears when pulse ramp option is chosen, which needs to be configured as well. This concludes the video on advanced ramp feature. Thank you for watching this video.